In this video, we will look at how to fix the problem where update KB5050009 or KB5050021 is not installing or downloading on Windows 11 version 24H2. These updates can sometimes get stuck or fail, but there are a few easy steps that can help. First, restart your computer. This simple step can fix many update problems. After the restart, open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Sometimes Windows just needs a fresh start to detect and install the update. If that doesn't work, use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open the Settings app. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, and then select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run next to it. The tool will scan your system and try to fix any problems it finds. When it's done, restart your computer and check for updates again. Next, run a system file check. This will look for corrupted files in your system that may be stopping the update. Click the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window that opens, type the following command: SFC/scanno, press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. It may take several minutes. If any problems are found, the system will try to fix them. Once it's done, restart your computer and check for updates again. If the problem is still there, run the DSM scan. This checks the system image for any damage. Again, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the following commands one at a time and press Enter after each. DSM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Each step may take some time to complete. After all three are done, restart your computer and go back to Windows Update to try again. If updates are still not working, try clearing the Windows Update cache. To do this, press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll down and find the Windows Update service. Right-click on it and choose Stop. Now open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Open the Windows folder, then the Software Distribution folder. Select all the files and delete them. These are just temporary update files. Once deleted, go back to the Services window, right-click on Windows Update and click Start. Then check for updates again. If none of the above steps work, download the update manually. Open your browser and go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search box, type KB5050009 or KB5050021. Find the version that matches your system. Click the Download button next to it. A new window will open with a link. Click the link to download the update file. After the download finishes, open the file and install the update manually. Restart your computer when it's done. Following these steps should help you fix the problem with KB5050009 or KB5050021 not installing on Windows 11 version 24H2. Try them in order and the update should install successfully. Thanks for watching.